Hi viewers, today our topic is buy car insurance online. There are different questions. First of all, first question is why do I need car insurance? Dear viewers, car insurance provides a financial coverage in case of damages to your vehicle due to road accident, fire, theft, etc. and covers the expenses for the vehicle repair to third party liability and alike. And the second important question is that how can I buy car insurance online? Dear viewers, enter your car detail on your website, compare quotes from different insurance companies and schedule a survey. Once survey is done and cover note is issued, make a payment online using a multiple payment options on your website and get covered. Dear viewers, another important thing is that can auto insurance be purchased online? Dear viewers, the answer is yes. You can buy auto insurance online just about as easily as you can buy anything else. Like other forms of e-commerce, car insurance, shopping lets you compare offering and prices from the multiple vendors quickly, and it makes easily for you to specify features you want and filter out those you don't need. Dear viewers, another thing is that is online car insurance is cheaper? The answer of this question is generally car insurance policies offered by digital first insurance are less expensive than those offered by online insurers. Dear viewers, this is because the online insurers have a lot low operational cost and less or no dependency on intermediaries, thereby reducing the cost paid as the commissions. How much does cost to the insurers a car in USA? Basically, dear viewers, there are different things before going to the discuss about the insurance. Basically, there are three types of the car insurance. We have to keep in our mind that number one is the three type of the car insurance that are universally offered are liability, comprehensive and collisions insurance. Drivers can still purchase other type of the auto insurance coverage like personal injury protection and uninsured, underinsured motorist, but they are not available in every state. Dear viewers, another important question is that we have to be discussed that can auto insurance be purchased in online? This thing I already explained to you. And other thing is that is insurance a good company? Basically, insurance is a financially stable insurance company with an A plus rating from AM Best. However, customer complaints are the higher than the industry average. Dear viewers, another important thing is that we have to be discussed in our video that is online car insurance will be cheaper as compared to the traditional insurance. I already explained the answer of this question. So we have to be go next online auto insurance purchase process in USA. Basically, how can I buy a car insurance online in USA? Dear viewers, online auto insurance purchase process, get an online quote. The first step is to get a quote either through an insurer website or by using a free car insurance quote tool like the one below. Number one, compare quotes, select coverage, pay, print your card, these are the things. Dear viewers, another thing is that, is car insurance expensive in USA? Because we are discussing about the USA. So the driver in the US pay an average of like $1,655 per year for full coverage car insurance, or about $138 per month. According to the bank rate analysis of 2022 April, average quoted premium from current information services minimum coverage cost an average $480 per year. Dear viewers, you see that the rate of the USA. Another thing is that, very important, compare auto insurance rate. We can compare with the different companies in the USA. First of all, I would like to explain to you that which are the cheap auto insurance companies from the largest companies in the world. Number first is Geico, $354 per annual rate, and monthly rate is $29 per month. Second is State Farm, that is annual rate is $452 and monthly rate is $38. The next is Progressive, which is having $619 per annum and $52 per month. Dear viewers, there are many companies like Farmers, Allstate, USAA, and USAA auto insurance is available only military veterans and their families. Another insurance company that is very famous in the world, Central Insurance, MMG Insurance Company, and Secura, Hastings Mutual of. There are different companies like Alaska and Arizona, California. So you can purchase your cheap insurance online. What is the cheapest car insurance company? Dear viewers, if we will talk about the 10 cheapest insurance company like USAA, Farm Bureau, Auto Owners, IRA, State Farm, American Family, and Geico, National Average, American Family, National Average, Progressive, and the Shelter and Allstate. These are the famous company in the world. Dear viewers, Farm Bureau, USAA, Auto Owners, IRA, and the State Farm also having the good market share in the insurance field. Dear viewers, another important things, why is car insurance so high in USA? Basically, a driver's auto insurance premium could be expensive because of recent claims or driving violations, speeding tickets, at fault accident. These are the main reason that why the car insurance is so high in USA. Cheapest car insurance companies I explained to you. You can see in front of your screen. Is the car insurance mandatory in the USA? Car insurance laws are set and enforced at the state level, and 49 of the 50 states in America required all drivers to carry an active car insurance policy. Dear viewers, most of the big companies car insurance are very necessary for all the states. What type of the car insurance is required in the US states? Most states require liability insurance for the bodily injury and property damage. Some states also require the drivers to purchase additional type of the coverage like personal injury protection, PIP, like that. Dear viewers, how much does a car cost in the USA? This is also very important questions. In 2021 and 22, the average car cost like $42,258 with an average payment of $563 per month, according to the data from the Calais Blue Book and the Leading Tree. Dear viewers, 5 types of the auto car insurance I explained to you before. These are the 5 types like liability, collisions, personal injury protection, uninsured, and the underinsured, motorist, comprehensive, and the medical payments. What's the minimum insurance cover? The minimum insurance cover by a law is third party cover. This cover your liability to the others involved in the collision but no damage to your vehicle. So dear viewers, in this video you see we discuss all aspect of the car insurance like smart affordable coverage, affordable car insurance, car insurance. We discuss that how we can get the smart and the affordable coverage insurance. I explain in this video to check this before you buy a car or bike insurance, motor vehicle insurance. You have to keep all the points which I explained to you in this video. And in this video we discuss that how to manage buy car insurance, auto insurance, price, quota efficiently. And in this video we also discuss how to do a car insurance online, cheapest car insurance online, how to buy car insurance step by step. I explain to you each and everything. So dear viewers, you see we discuss in this video that how to manage a buy car insurance, auto insurance, price, quota efficiently, and like many things we discuss in this video. I hope this video will be very informative for your knowledge. Thank you so much for watching my video.